Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Here's a recap of the recent St. Patrick's Day build-off, and we're going to go through the cars that people had entered. I went through my emails, I went through my messages like that to see every picture I could possibly find, and I went through the video to see who was signed up and who wasn't. So here's a list of what I could find. Let's look at them and enjoy. The first one is from Mr. Morten Henningsen from Norway. What a beautiful rendition of this 32 coupe. Great job. Here's from Mr. Gary Tasker of Scotland. He used a DeLorean, painted it a beautiful green, and added some beer kegs to it. Here's from Mr. SUSTRJP. That's all I got on him, but he did say that his granddaughter helped him do this build. Here's a beautiful rendition from Mr. John McCabe, painted in the colors of the Irish flag. What a fantastic, beautiful paint job. Here's one from Mr. Weston Ward. This beautiful van, look how he took the time to build this diorama with the marshmallows from Lucky Charms. Here's one from Dad and Andrew's garage, an armored car ready to fight off any would-be bandits. Beautiful job. Here's from Somo Diecast. Ron Raby out there in Missouri. What a fantastic job. Great colors and a great paint job. Here's some Orange Track Outlaws. What a gorgeous paint job. Look at the way he took the dimes on the side and filled in the fender wells. Go Bears Diecast Workshop submits this entry. What a beautiful paint job and some great details with the clover on the front and the beer barrel. Andrew from Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeover is over there in Switzerland, a Canadian. What a beautiful job, Andrew. Here's from Dan's Chop Shop. Fantastic green paint, just stands out above all on this turbocharged car. Beautiful. Here's from Devil's Details Diecast. Jamie did a beautiful job with this Murphy's Irish Stout car and the beautiful beer kegs. Great detail on this. Here's a job from Diecast Pirate. Beautiful green paint job, gold rims. This car looks absolutely fantastic. Here's one from Kuda's Diecast Customs. Beautiful green paint job, out of the ordinary, a tractor, but man, this thing looks fantastic. Here's one from Full Custom Diecast Garage. Look at the detail on the Leprechaun with the pistols hanging out of the top of the car. And last but not least, here's one from 2A HD Cat. Beautiful green paint job on this van. It looks beautiful. Vote for one of your favorites and vote only once, please, because the winner is going to win a prize given away by me. Now, whichever one you select, the winner is going to have to send their car to me because, hey, I'm not entered in this, but I'm definitely going to get a memento out of this build-off. So vote once, but pick your favorite car and have a great time with it. Here's the car that the winner that you choose is going to win. This beautiful Shenanigans Gasser. Now, folks, there's only 3 of these cars. One of them is slammed. One of them looks exactly like this. But I have another one that looks also exactly like this. If you're interested, like I said, I do have an extra one. If you're interested, in the comments, put a comment in there that you're interested and put down what you're willing to pay for it. Now, like I said, I have an extra one. If you want it, it'll come carded on a special card from me, and it will also, the card will be autographed, and it will come in a protector. So comment me in the comments with what you'd like to pay, and then we can go from there. But I hope you enjoy these videos, and we're going to have a good time. We got a new video coming up for a build-off with race cars. Now, folks, that's any kind of race car, be it dragster, circle track, dirt track, anything, rally car, anything. My name is Paul with Diecast Graveyard. We're going to let this run about 2 weeks, and then we're going to select a winner. And we still have to select winners from the 5,000 member giveaway, and we got a whole bunch of other ones to give away, and we got a bunch of prizes that we're giving. My name is Paul again with Diecast Graveyard. Thank you, and cheers.